Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you splitting screen in Windows 11. So friend, this is very unique and advanced tutorial for you. So keep watching, you will learn something new. So friend, here I'm going to open a new window so you will get the idea about it. Google Chrome browser. So here you can see that this is my Google Chrome browser, and here I will showing you what is splitting screens, right? So here we are going to open three windows like this. Okay, so now I have three different tabs and windows are available. Okay, here on the top, whenever you click here or mouse over on the corner, then you will see that these things are showing, right? Here different screen options are available. Like right now we have three options. Okay, three tabs we already opened. We simply click on it and you can see that my three different tabs are open in single window. Okay, so here I can search something, here also I can search something, and here also I can search something. Okay, so by this way you can easily manage all the programs. Not only this application, you can use multiple application, different kinds of application you can use it. Okay, for example, here I'm going to open other application and give you the demo about it. Okay, so we are going to simply open Word software. So this will take time to open it, and here you can see that this Word application is open now. I want to manage all the different programs in single window. Okay, so what I will do, simply hover over here and we are going to click on this. The fourth program is running on, so we are going to click on it. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this is my Word program is open. Here different window is open, here different windows is open, and here different window is open now. Okay, by this way you can easily split different kinds of application over here by this way. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can open different program in splitting a screen. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.